This video is about climate action and what you can do to help save our planet whilst earning money. That's right. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give a presentation that explains how a non-profit community platform can help us save our planet. And if you're also an English teacher and you want me to come to your school to have this same presentation delivered in person in an interactive English class with your students, please invite me. I'm in Belgium now and I love teaching English. Pack it up, pack it in, let me begin. Here's the big question, so give it a spin. Can you too help save our planet? The answer? Of course! So then my next question is, how can you too help save our planet? For one, you could join recyclingideas.org, a non-profit community platform that lists recycling ideas with videos from YouTube, ad-free.
We're working on that.
That have lots of additional searchable and filterable info and allows registered users to easily create, search, find and save these ideas so they can execute them, save money and even make money. And in doing so, help save our planet. You can either register as a planet saver or a contributor. Contributors create recycling ideas, planet savers find them, save them and try them out. So then, what is a recycling idea? As of now, it has the following information: a title, a description, tags, a YouTube video without the ads, a purpose, recycling, upcycling, repurposing, reusing, repairing and so forth, a category, household, industrial, construction, agriculture and so on, a difficulty level, easy, medium, hard, the tools needed, if any, the impact it has on helping save the planet, low, medium, great, and a pollution factor if you executed the idea, low, medium, high. Is there a product brand involved? What's the cost of the new item? What's the cost of the executed idea? Can you save money with it and how much? And finally, can you make it into a business? And all this information is available via search and filter functions, and you can save your ideas in your own lists when you're a registered user. You see, the difference is that YouTube doesn't provide this level of detail per video, and YouTube doesn't provide accurate filters. No. YouTube is a deliberate big mess that is heavily controlled by an advertising system to make you and keep you addicted. So I say, let's use YouTube to our advantage and show them that we can do better, way better, collectively. Last question. Do you now believe that people will make use of this non-profit community platform, recyclingideas.org, to find ideas on how to recycle stuff that help them save and earn money? If your answer is yes, join us, because then you are the kind of person we are looking for. It's free of ads and free of charge. So let's save our planet and let's do it together.
This is the Vita Manu, reporting live from Belgium.
Check you later.